Okay guys, check this out. 40 meters here at the place in Nevada. Give you a little audio. Okay, hang on a second. Okay. Let me zoom out. I mean, it's a mess. It's a mess. I don't know what it is. It's been going on for a while here. Can I operate with it? Yes, I can, but it's not fun on my end.
I didn't talk to him, but I did
Look at,
hear.
and here's a close-up shot of this.
Like. It could have been something else.
Okay.
The most that I hear with things like that.
So let me zoom out, like way out. Let me show you this band here. Look at this crap. Okay, check this out, man. Now there is nothing on. Does nothing to help me much. Okay, the noise blanker. You can see it's all in this 40-meter zone here. So it's like solar crap, inverters, charger, something like that. Maybe it's a light, an LED light from China. I don't know. Have you seen this on your panadapter? Post below. Give me some help here. Some ideas I can check out. I'm rural, very rural, but there are homes around. And I can check it out. Now if I go to 80, okay, so you can see it lightly down below. Very light in that zone. Take a good look. I'll zoom in a little bit and you can start seeing it pop up. Okay. It's there. But it's not killer, but you know, there you can see some lines there. On the waterfall, you pick it up a little bit more. Okay. It's definitely not here at my initial location. There's nothing on 20. Everything else is fine. 40 is the 30. Oh, yeah, you might say 30. Check 30. There's nothing there. 40 is the beast. Look at this. It's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And here's 160. We're good to go. Okay. No problem there. So 60. I rarely operate there, but it's fine. So yeah, it's 40. So post your ideas below, man. Post them below. And now, if I run a full loop, this pretty much goes away. Right now, the vertical will even show more than that, of course. I am running a off-center fed 80-meter dipole up at 43 feet, inverted V. Okay, so you kind of got vertical and horizontal elements both kind of mixed in there. Anyways, that's the deal. Not great for operating on 40, which is a great band, but it hasn't stopped me yet, but it doesn't really help for nice recordings for the YouTube channel. Thanks, and let me know what you think.